Toby, are you alright? No. What happened? I was watching Little Einsteins and then it turned me into a penguin. Oh no, what are we going to do? Maybe I can help. Oh, there you are, lady. Alright, Toby, hold still. This won't hurt a bit. Wow, lady, how did you do that? I'm the god of a railway, that's how. And so, lady began to fly in the air. Bust my bumpers! Cried Thomas. How did she do that? Look at me, cheered Lady. I can fly in the sky. Woohoo! Lady can fly like a bird or a plane or a helicopter. I must tell my friends the news. Well, good luck, Thomas. So long, cheered Lady. That evening, he went to see Percy at the big station. Are you all right, Thomas? Asked Percy. Yes, I am, Percy, replied Thomas. I just saw Lady flying in the sky like a bird or a plane or a helicopter. It's time for me to go to my shed, said Thomas, and he went away. Lady flying in the sky? Exclaimed James. That's not even true. Trains cannot fly skies. Well, said Edward crossly, maybe it's just in our imagination. Or it could be real. That night, as Thomas fell asleep in the sheds, he dreamt about Lady flying in the sky. He understood that Lady can fly in the sky forever and ever. And we all know that she is a god of the railway.